So I figured while this machine's down, I might as well do some fun stuff with this machine and print with Polymaker's PolyWood. There it is on the back spool right there, because it is not AMS friendly, or at least I don't think that it is, because that stuff is coarse like sandpaper. Anyway, I figured what better way to try out this filament and print some pallets. Although this was done in PLA a long time ago, how about one printed in PolyWood? Doesn't look too nice, but let's take it off the build plate and take a look at it. Now for the big reveal. Wow, a 3D printed wooden pallet made out of Polymaker PolyWood. So we have some under extrusion issues, but this is a first go around with this stuff. I heard it's not easy to print with, so we're gonna futz around with it some more, see if I can fine tune those settings, because I basically used just a generic PLA profile on the Bamboo Lab machine and got that. I'll be honest, for a first time, not too bad. So hopefully we'll tweak and get some better prints. But now my question to you is, what should I print in wood once this is, better looking?